Hey, Earth people. What's happening? It's Forrest again. Okay, so I want to give you guys a new demonstration. This one is my take on adaptive audio, which was inspired by Jeff Schmidt. You can check him out at jeff-schmidt.com. Real groovy cat for sharing his information. The variation from his adaptive audio is that he used a multi-track wave, which was really cool. I wanted to have more channels and a little bit more flexibility. So I created an event over here, and then I created, 13 layers, which consists of an 8-bar loop that I had exported out of Ableton. It's the same music that I used for my first demonstration. We have, kick and snare, toms, crashes, bass, guitar, etc., as you can see. And what we have here is a parameter value. This isn't a timeline. Check out Jeff's video. He can explain it much better than I'm going to, or just read the manual. This is just a state of being, essentially. These little guys here are my volume automation. So I have an 8-bar loop that just is going constantly of all the elements of the individual tracks. I think this is a multi-track at this point, or stems. So these are my volume curves. So as I'm in a different states of being, which could be me walking around in a world, I transition between things, and things can happen. And then I also have resonance and cutoff on this particular track, and I'm automating that just to give it, just to show you that you can add a lot more effects. So what I'll do is I'm going to hit play, and I will scroll through my parameter values, basically, and check out a world and have a battle with somebody. I think the music will be self-explanatory, and if you have any more questions or any questions at all, or would like to get a hold of me, you can check me out at forrestrausch.com or forrestrausch@gmail.com. And yeah, so I'm going to do my thing, so check it out.